So guys, we are less than a week away from the launch of the P20 series lineup by Huawei, which also rumors the first triple rear camera smartphone. Although it's not confirmed that which of these smartphones will possess the triple camera setup, but according to the official press invite, one smartphone will definitely possess that, and the rumored one seems to be the P20 Pro. So you continue watching this video, as today I am going to reveal all the leaked details of the upcoming Huawei P20 and the P20 Pro. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy, and today I am going to discuss the details of Huawei's upcoming P20 series lineup. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So, if the rumors are correct, then it may well be that the P20 series lineup will be all about the camera and AI. Many of us had also thought that these devices may debut at the Mobile World Congress, but Huawei decided to launch this at their own event, which will be held on 27th March in Paris. But from the time of the Mobile World Congress, it seems that almost every aspect of Huawei's upcoming flagship smartphones has been leaked ahead of their launch. So let's discuss all the leaks and rumors. Starting with the display, the normal P20 is rumored to have 5.8-inch LCD panel, while the P20 Pro is expected to have a 6.1-inch OLED screen. Both the smartphones will have screens in the 19:9 format along with the notch. Oh boy, when will the other companies stop copying Apple? The notch is here, the notch is everywhere. Apple will create new trends, and these new trends will spread everywhere. Anyways, moving forward, this phone will also have a fingerprint scanner in the front, which I think is the best position to insert one. Now, I'll move towards the main feature of these smartphones, that is the cameras. According to Evenblast, the P20 Pro is expected to have a 40 megapixel 3-lens camera setup with 5x hybrid zoom, and the setup is expected to be co-developed by Leica. The P20 is also expected to have a dual camera setup. Both the phones will have a 24 megapixel selfie camera with laser autofocus. Trust me guys, if these rumors are true, then this year will surely be the year for the better cameras. Now, moving to the hardware department, both the smartphones will power Huawei's own Kirin 970 octa-core chipset with neural processing unit that has AI functionalities. We can also expect 6 or 8 GB RAM, and according to rumors, the only storage option in both these smartphones will be 128 GB. Now that's awesome. In the battery department, the P20 is expected to have 3320 mAh battery, and the P20 Pro is expected to have a 4000 mAh battery. Both the smartphones can be recharged by Huawei's own supercharged technology, although these may not be as fast as dash charge, but they will surely be fast. So guys, that's the leaked details of the Huawei's P20 series lineup. According to me, these smartphones will make their presence felt, and I will be very happy with the introduction of the triple rear camera setup. At least we will get a company apart from Apple which has guts to take risks with new innovations. What do you think about these smartphones? Do tell me in the comments section below. I hope you like my video, and I will be very curious to show you more interesting videos like this in the future. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and see you in the next one.